Hey guys, welcome back for another build for Parts Gaming Universe. So today I'm gonna show you guys the season 11 battle pass and like season 11 for. So let's get started from the battle pass. Well, I've just reached tier 2. The battle pass came like this morning, I think so, and so we got lots of things in the new battle pass. I'll just summarize the skins and all. So we got this skin right here. It's the Spectral Pixel Sky. We got then we got the zero nebula. We got this emote, which is kind of cool. It's like the party animal. And then you continue on. The Trap Master, you get a Trap Master skin. This is a really good gun, which I think so is pretty good. It's the DLKQ-CC. This is the newest gun, like as in the newest gun which got added. You can get it for free if you didn't buy the Battle Pass. Let's continue. You get this spray. You get the Skylove Future Wise, which is pretty cool too. You continue on. You get this backpack, main stage, which is really cool too. You continue on. There's lots of things, but I won't summarize them all. Like I'll summarize some of the guns too. We got this Reaper, which is kind of like my favorite gun of this battle pass. Favorite gun. We got the new guns, epic version, like a epic gun for the new. Let's just read the comic really quick. The missile that Stargate Group launched from the Soviet Union had the unknown payload. And like as in you can just read it. Yeah, I'll stop here and you can continue. You can pause it and just read it. And yeah, so I've already read it, but it's pretty cool. If you read the season 9 battle pass, comment down below. Okay, now let's get into the events. We got the anniversary events where like basically like you can basically like you have to do all of this stuff and like and then you can get all of this, and from that you can get like do draws. Like I'll do one right now. Okay, I did this one. I got 20 points, so now my bar will move 20 points further, and I can do 101 too, which will like give me 10 of these. Yeah, and now you get one golden ball, and like it's pretty cool. So yeah, okay, then we go to the battle. We already so in the store, if you on the credits, we got like you can get outlaw and a quick picks. It's kind of like a thingy, and then we got this one, and this one, which is like the anniversary coins. Then wait, I didn't. So these are the like this one. This is kind of like your task for like the day. This is like the Alcatraz land. I'll get to it when I get to the BR. Cranked up. Basically, there's a mode in MP. It's called Cranked, and so like you have to get it, and then you'll get all of this stuff from doing all of these challenges. Like obvious, like all the time. And then the new seasonals, you can check out yours too. We got this, and now this is like really good. I really like the skin right here, the Outrider Darkstone. It's pretty cool. It's kind of really like as in close to the Outrider Going Dark, but it's still like as in a different one. You can see it by the color, but yes, it looks pretty similar. You'll get a baseball bat this season, which is so cool because like if you didn't get a baseball bat, it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna get good guns like PDW, the reflective skin, like is the newest one for this season. Like every season you get one. And so that's the events. Now let's get to MP. This is for like right now, and so we get like the gun. No, oh my god. Okay, so yeah, we get like the fan favorite mode, fan favorite map, and then we get Cranked, which I was talking about. If you guys have caught, try it out. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, and I will post a second video when I'm gonna like it's gonna be like right now, where I'm going to like as in play in Alcatraz. So be ready for that. And we got the fan favorite mode. We got search and destroy and rapid fire, like where you can get your, you can read it too if you like. I'll just read it loud. Limitless ammo, operator skills, and score streaks have fast activation. The first team to reach this specified number of kills wins. Now, let's come here. Let's go to Battle Royale. Yeah, you get the Alcatraz, and then you get this. This is the classic one. Right now, you're not allowed to play it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I missed something, but yeah, okay. I just got that. That's pretty cool. That's gonna kind of and like, and it even shows you like how many legendary guns you have. If you guys, yeah, and like you can get all of these, and like this is like the newest DLK QQ Zealot, one of the newest DLK, the sniper thing, and so these are like the really cool legendary guns which you can get on like the draws. Like here, there's a draw here. And hope you enjoyed the new season. And just want to show one more thing. Was this that as in and you can even get this like the season 1, the first anniversary. And so yeah, this is the video for season 11. Hope you liked it and enjoy season 11 Call of Duty.